So we're playing Animal Crossing today. It's a new series. I've been really getting great on the series. This is Animal Crossing, new Animal Crossing. I've played it before. I just reset my entire world. So now we know this world. I'm gonna have to read on it. Just congratulate YouTube guys. Yep. Welcome. Welcome to the counter. Oh my god, it's loud. I'm turning that down. I'm Tim. Wow, it's Tim and Tommy. And I'm Timmy. I'm not gonna read it. We will be flying to the island with you to help you get settled. Aww. Think of us as your partners. Oh my god. Didn't know we were already getting in relationships. Okay, first, yes it is. I don't know what it is. Oh my god, I put my name. I don't remember how to spell Spidey. Wait, I need to double check this in case I spell it wrong. No, it's B. Then I. Then T. Then back, and then E. And Y. My name. Is that my name? That is my name. That is my name. Wow. I had no clue. Yeah. Spidey, let's see. Oh, yes. Here you are. Our next step. Oh, God. Don't worry. This one. Ew. Okay. This is styling. Oh, this hairstyle. Oh, but this one's longer. Okay, I'm going with this. Go brown, because it's my hair color right now. I don't want those eyes for the life of me. I'll have the cute ones. I want the cute ones. Oh my god. Oh my god! Wait, okay, wait. How does that look? No, I think the button is cuter. Yes, I love this. Okay, I'm doing that. I love that. I love them. Okay, I swear to God if I do not get good pets. I think I'm just gonna go with it if I don't get good ones. But hopefully I do get good ones. Cool. I don't know if I... No, I'm in the southern. I'm in Summit. Wait, I'm figuring... I'm gonna search it up. Okay, oceanic. So naturally we reckon wait, is Australia on the southern hemisphere? I think it is. Oh yeah, okay, I did it. Because last time I did it, I accidentally did the American one, Okay. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, we have to think about like the one. Oh, I like that one, but I also like this one. I feel I'm gonna go with this one because I like it. I'm going with this one. Wonderful choice. Stop talking at the same time, maybe. Okay. Something to no, I'm gonna do a bed because I love sleeping. So, does that mean I'm not getting a big bag? That's me. What if I wanted a big bag? Okay. Yep. Any customs where I can't read. This is what I do. Okay, I'm perfect. Come on, let's board playing together. I'm gonna make you guys read this. The mission for this one is to do it enough so then it turns into an actual good island. Like it's good and shit, and like there's like I've finished most of the things. Because last time what I did was I kind of got to the end of completing anything and I couldn't do any really challenges. So then I just stopped playing after time. So I think, yeah, that's when I'm going to end the series. Animal Crossing. Ooh, got pears. I would prefer peaches, but you can get peaches in the future. Do I have a metal Oh, I like one of them. That one's going to become my favourite, the one. I think I have a robot with me, okay. Oh god, it's him. Okay, let's see. Aww. Yeah, that is a robot. Yeah. Yes, that's very good. Yes, of course. Welcome, everyone. Welcome to your new island. My name's Helen. I'm the founder and president of Tom. Yep. Today's the day of life as. Yep. And this is the package you have. Yes. Yep. Yes. Collect your turn. Oh, yeah. Which one's Tommy? I'm gonna go to this one. It is Tommy. Aww. Okay. Oh, gotta go map. Oh. Okay, where do I want to put my house this way. I'll put it. No, I want these. Oh, it's like B. Is it B or X? Oh wait, I want to go more. Can I go here? Go here. It's close by. Let me imagine it. Oh, I love that they made you imagine it. Yeah. Yay! So 10 is a big first step. Well, not really. I want to. Oh my god, I cannot pick stuff up. Okay. Sprite 10. Yes, I did. Look back and find the right head. What's this? I'm actually gonna start crying. Oh, the others. Oh, I have to give the others help. Where are the others? There they are. Aww. I love them already. I love them already. I've just met them and I'm in love. Like, I don't know what like, but like. Very nice, but huh? I will let you be wherever you want. I love you. Yep. Looks good to me. Oh, love it. Looks good. Yes, it does. I love you. I'm in love with this one. I don't know about the robot, but I'm in love with this one. I don't know what gender they are. Yep. Where is he? Where is he? I'm gonna scare her around. I don't know, I got a good amount of spot. Okay. No, this is close to my house. I hate this person already. Ew, no. I only wanted to pick your tent because I didn't like where you were. Like, it was really close to my house. My house is here and your house is here. Like, that's not gonna work. Put your house near the fresh air, 'cause I think that's what you wanted. Put it up here. Build. Oh yeah, no, I was gonna tell my story time. So what happened is when I used to play Animal Crossing, I always wanted these certain on. So I somehow got my way into getting the exact animals I wanted, but like using like Android shit and stuff, and it actually worked, and I somehow did it. So that was fun. Yay! Oh, is it gonna be night time now? Welcome back. Yes. I definitely know what's going on right now. Yep. Maybe when I was fighting, I will. Yep. I was not focusing. Yes, I can talk to you for a moment. Give me a message. Want somebody I got you your stuff. Do you eat in this game? I forgot if you eat. Britland. I hope that's this way. I need to double check if that's this spur. Yep, I'm going with it. Okay. And if I've spelled it wrong, yeah, I don't know, it's a good reason. Happy home. I'm gonna be a grandpa. I'm gonna be a happy home grandpa. Oh, well, I think that's gonna be the end of this today episode. I probably will be hopefully posting these a lot more than like normal. Oh my god, I do not have the correct time on this.